Homeowners insurance. We've all heard the term, especially when you're buying a home. We're here to help break it down and give you some points to consider about homeowners insurance.
Homeowners insurance gives you protection on any damage on your home, potential natural disasters, theft, or anything else that might happen to your home.
You're enjoying your new home or just enjoying life at your home that you own, and everything's going great. Oops, all of a sudden there's a water leak. And, oh no.
No.
Yeah. And there is some damage. So the first thing you think about is we're going to call our insurance and make a claim.
No, the really first thing you should do is cut the water off.
Well, that is a good valid point, but I was talking about insurance, but
Yes.
yes, shut your water off, okay? But before you make that call, you need to make sure a few things, because there's some things you need to consider that you may not know that could happen.
A homeowner's insurance claim can possibly raise your rate on your policy, or even for the next buyer, their rate can actually be higher. So I'm going to tell you a little story about what happened to me, and I didn't even file a claim. In the middle of the night, we heard a water leak. Actually, my husband did. HVAC had leaked water through our ceiling upstairs. I decided to call an insurance company and was thinking about filing a claim, but after talking to them and seeing what my deductible was, I thought it was better just to go ahead and pay out of pocket for it. Well, I wish I made that claim, because it actually raised my homeowner's insurance and it put a red flag on my property, and I didn't even file a claim on it. And that's the crazy thing. So you need to be very careful when you call these insurance companies to even discuss it, because they will note it in your file.
So if you have like $1,000 deductible and the repair is $1,500, it may not be worth it for you. Now, if you have a 10 or 20 or even a large, insurance is great. I'm not saying you need to have insurance, but you really need to look at these minor claims and be careful when you call, and that again, they'll note it. And when you go to sell your home or get other insurance, you're going to be paying a higher rate, or it's going to be red flagged and the buyer's going to ask you questions about it, because that history is noted.
Yeah, I couldn't change insurance company for at least over 2 years because it was noted in that. And so every time I try to call around to get a new insurance, it was always noted that I just called and I did not file that claim. I can't want to say complain, but I am complaining because I should have just filed the claim.
Now, from all that conversation, the takeaway is homeowners insurance is important. Very important. But make sure before you make that claim how it affects your future and if it's worth it.
Our last homeowners insurance tip is to shop around. Not all insurance are created equal. Inflation seems to be affecting us daily, and so is homeowners insurance.
So the key thing there is shop around, I would say every 2 years. Even if you love your company, compare, make sure, because they kind of creep up, and sometimes when you get that first year, they do an incentive to get you in. So every 2 years, shop around your insurance. It'll save your wallet some money.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our current and future videos. And if you have any ideas or topics that you want us to discuss, comment below.
Or even call us.
Yeah, you can call.
It's a big decision, we know.
And we're here to help. It's your home, your lifestyle,
And we are your real estate team.